Psalms 27:14 says, "Wait on the Lord and be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart." The Word of God teaches us to wait on the Lord. Many a times, being a human being, we fail and things doesn't go the way we wanted it to be. And that's when we become frustrated, discouraged, and we tend to give up. But God says, do not give up and wait on the Lord. Waiting is one of the hardest things we have to do. Many a times we try to take over the situation and accomplish things in our own strength. Proverbs 19:21 says, "There are many plans in a man's heart, but the purpose of the Lord shall prevail." Why do we fail? Because we tend to do the things in our own strength without knowing the will of God, without waiting on the Lord. But the Word of God says, only the purpose of the Lord shall prevail. And so if we all wanted to be a successful person, let us learn to wait on the Lord and be of good courage. Let us learn to know the will and purpose of God in our life. When we learn to trust God, our faith increases, and that's when we please the Lord. And when we please the Lord fulfills the desires of our heart. And so while we wait, never stop praying. While we wait, never stop meditating the Word of God. And you will see the blessings of God multiplying in your life. And yes, you will not only see the blessings of God, but you will also learn a lot of life lessons from it during the waiting period. And you will get lots of fresh revelation from God, and it will make your life a wonderful testimony. So let us all learn to wait on the Lord. No matter what situation we face, you may have failed several times, but from today, learn to wait on the Lord, and you will see the blessings of God in your life. You will inherit the blessing that the Lord has prepared for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are blessed. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.